My grandfather taught me everything I know.
Our little family businesses work their tails off.
We never miss a detail, and those things matter.
The legacy and the tradition and the craft, it's what I live by.
It's nice working with your family.
We're a two-person team.
We're also busy moms.
The financial side can be very daunting.
If our schedule gets messed up, everything falls apart.
We don't have a lot of time.
We're not professional.
I have a tendency to be very worried.
Using Gemini has been a game changer.
Gemini in Google Docs helps me write website descriptions.
AI allows us to make quick business decisions.
It translates everything live. It was magic the first time I saw this.
Gemini in Gmail really lets our staff save time drafting emails.
It makes my response more concise and so much better.
Mocking up a concept, we can do that in a matter of minutes.
We have time to keep doing what we love.
And it opened up the world to me.
This is a beautiful thing we're doing, and we're proud of what we do.